What's going on? In this short video, I want to talk about Fednow, cryptocurrency, and potential opportunities that we have right now. Things are changing every single day. Fednow was supposed to roll out next month. Fednow is basically them changing the money system. Now, the Federal Reserve Bank is who prints the money. They are not federal, they are not a reserve, and they are not a bank. Okay, they lend money to governments and they basically run the world. They're the financial global cartel. Okay, they're not good people. They don't care about you. They don't care about me. They are all about controlling everything, printing money, taxing everybody else, charging interest to everybody else. They have designed this economic slavery system that we live in. So this is not good. They will not say this, but what they're eventually going to do is they're going to be able to tax your money and turn your money on or off if you do not conform to whatever they say. Okay. So that's where this is headed, and this is in America. Okay. So let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin just broke below 25K. So we were in a trend here. I'm going to zoom out so we can see the big picture. Now, the whole crypto market follows Bitcoin. Okay. When Bitcoin pumps, the thousands and thousands of other cryptos also pump. So here we had a bull run, we had a bear market. We had a bull run, we had a bear market. This last one, we had a bull run. Now we've been in a bear market, right? So from here, Bitcoin went from 4K to 65K and then it went to 69K. That's like a 17x on your investment in a matter of like 1 to 1.5 years. Okay. Bitcoin is going to do this again. All right. And in my course, I explain all of this in great detail, even in my webinar. But I'm going to reiterate a few things here. We were in a channel, in a trend going upward right here. Okay. And you will see that that trend broke. Okay. So right now we are in this region. Okay. Typically, about a year before the halving, Bitcoin halving, and I'm not going to get into all what that is, we're near the bottom of the market. And typically, about a year after the halving, we're near the top of the market. Right now, we are a year before the halving. So, very soon, Bitcoin is going to go and begin to go on a run. Okay. And we're going to see Bitcoin around 150 to 150K plus in about 2 years, roughly. There's a lot of other variables right now, and you cannot pinpoint it accurately to the dot to the T, but we know the basics, and we basically know that this has been happening for over 10 years now. These are market cycles. It's very simple. If you understand the market cycles, you can capitalize on the market cycles. Let's look at one other asset. This is Gallo. Look at this chart, right? So you see here a massive pump, right? Right here in November, and then you'll see this bear market, right? Now, in a bull run, this asset is likely to go back to where it was, okay, which was around 84 cents. Right now, it's 2 cents, okay? So that's like a 40 something X, okay? That is crazy. It's like a 42X. What was it at? 80, yep, 42X. So imagine if you put $1,000 in at the bottom and it rides back to where it was, you just turned $1,000 into $42,000. However, if you know what assets to acquire, when to acquire them, and when to sell them, some of these assets are going to blow beyond their previous all-time high and probably double their all-time high. That's over an 80x. That means $1,000 would become 80 something thousand dollars in the course of around 2 years. Right now, understand this. You have the opportunity of a lifetime. This is why I created my webinar. This is why I built my website. This is why I create content. This is why I teach and educate people. I don't have to tell anybody anything because people do not know these things. I could literally just invest myself, which I'm doing, and completely go to a whole nother level. Okay. I'm inviting you the opportunity to do the same. I highly recommend you watch my free webinar. It's an hour long. If nothing else, just watch the webinar so you can understand. Because I'm telling you, you're going to see the world is changing whether you like it or not. This is bigger than crypto, it's bigger than money, it's about freedom. In this day and age, you need to have a second residence. In my opinion, you need to be able to travel and you need to be able to move. Okay, because things are getting very serious. That's not to instill fear. I'm just telling you what it is. I study commercial law. I understand what's happening in the matrix world system. It's not Good. Okay. So you got to know these things, be ahead of these things. I'm doing all I can to help people because you need money to travel. You need money to be able to move. You need money. And you don't want to be a slave to money or a Fednow system in a communist nation where they can turn your money on or off and tell you what to do. So this is strategy. It's like playing chess. So I highly recommend you watch my free 1 hour webinar. Okay. I do have my 23-hour video course where I teach you everything fundamentals, basics, advanced strategies from beginner to expert, okay, with cryptocurrency, Web3, and blockchain. And there's very simple ways to invest where you don't have to be a day trader. I teach you, I even tell you what assets I believe are good to acquire and what I'm acquiring. And I also have an inside monthly membership group where I come along and help you along the way. So I've done my part. I'm just sharing this with you. It's the opportunity of a lifetime. Okay. You investing in my course is not going to change my life. It can change your life if you invest the time, the energy, finances, and you do the simple things now. You'll see in a year to 2 years, your life can change. My life is going to change. I believe I will be a multimillionaire in about 2 years, and I'm trying to help as many other people join me on that journey. So I'll include the links in here. Thank you so much. God bless you.